Welcome back to Ladybug Laying Soaps, everybody. This is Margie, your hostess for the mostest. And thank you so much for joining me. All right, I need to get going here. Daylight is burning. So this is one of my Christmas projects. Aren't those stars? Oh my God, pretty. So I worked, about a couple hours last night. And as you will see in a previous video that I will show just for me piping the white poinsettias, I had some red soap that I was going to make some red poinsettias, and it really thickened up on me. So I shoved the batter in a gallon Ziploc bag and rolled it out flat. And it was not the recipe that I would normally use for soap dough, because I believe soap dough has a lot of shea butter, etc. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to try not to waste it, cross my fingers. And so I took it out of the bag last night, and my husband and I, we cut the big clump into strips, and we rolled it out. And aren't those pretty? Got the stars, bells, holly leaves, and then press them into some sparkling glitter. And so I'm not quite sure what I'll do with those now that I have them. But anyway, yeah, so that took a couple of hours, and I was so tired last night. I don't want to tell you what time I woke up this morning, but it was not early. So anyway, yeah, so I'll put the video on pause here so I can take everything out. But I do like, before, when I make something like this, I like to get them all in the mold just so I can have some sense of what the heck I'm doing. And I did run short with a couple of the poinsettias, so I'm going to save a little bit of the batter and maybe try to pipe some in there. So, all right. All right, welcome back to the cut of the white poinsettias and the pink bells. So as you probably saw at the pour, or when I was putting this Hello Spring green on there, oh my gosh, it was just this horrific color of, what is it, puce or something. But that's what a lot of the greens will do, is they'll start out with this horrible brown, and then they will go back to the actual color of the green. So let's get this little puppy going here. It's been sitting here for a few days. We've been kind of busy moving. One of our sons and his girlfriend moved from one apartment to another, and okay, so he was trying not to scrape the poinsettias off. Okay, let's see what happens. like after all this work of cutting, making the poinsettias, and then you cut right through it. That's kind of funny. Okay, so I'm hoping and praying that the inside swirl will be all right. Come on. Ooh. Oh, geez. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Well, that was interesting. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Of course, of course. Oh, gee whiz. Oh my gosh. Well, maybe I can doctor that up, huh? Oh, gee whiz. I don't think I've ever done that before. Criminy. Criminy. I got a big hole. Oh.